Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you to the lecture Decision Support System and Business Intelligence. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the challenges of natural language processing. Is it visible and audible? Hope you are looking towards these presentations. Natural language processing, there are various challenges. Parts of speech tagging, it is difficult to in natural language processing to tag the parts of speech as well as to text segmentation, where we have to do the segment of text, sentence, word sentence, disambiguations as well as syntax ambiguity, sometimes syntax not understood properly to us, imperfect or irregular input. Some peoples have habit oo, a at the time of starting the sentence or starting the word. That is the uh, noise, imperfect, irregular input to the system that is affect the natural language processing. It is challenging task to perform such a speech acts. Sometimes there are some habits, some acts to the particular persons, and therefore sometimes the natural language processing work on the person dependence, means we have to train the system by individual persons. Suppose I train system by my voice, that system will not work by some other's voice. Why? Because there are some speech acts. So we can overcome this challenge, we can remove these challenges with the help of a natural language processing algorithm. We have to use their dream of artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence community dream have two algorithms that are capable of automatically reading and obtaining knowledge from the text. Suppose there are the huge number of informations available related to our domain, related to our research, related to our life, and we want from that information, from that huge information, a little abstract. For that we have to read all that, but we need a system, that system should read everything and give us a abstract from that information, from the huge informations. Such type of a system is required. This is the dream of a artificial intelligence engineer community, computer engineer, information technology engineers dream is that they want a accurate information from this ocean of the informations. Natural language processing, there are some tools now designed. WordNet, a laboriously hand-coded database of English word. There in this WordNet, the English word database is stored, and their definitions, words definitions, as well as their set of acronyms related to, like dictionary. This WordNet is like a dictionary, and various semantic relationship between the synonyms set. Major source for the NLP. This WordNet is the major source to do the research in natural language processing. Suppose you want to do the research, you want to do the project for natural language processing, you have to use this WordNet software, WordNet lab. There the hand coded database of English word is there, as well as their definition, their synonymous, their sets of relationship related to the semantic words is stored. And also its need automation to be completed. We have to just join our software to the WordNet and we can get the related information like a dictionary. As well as we can use natural language processing for sentiment analysis. This sentiment analysis we can use at uh, businesses, e-commerce, social media, to find out the sentiment of a customer, to find out the sentiment of the buyer about our good. Suppose we are selling the mobile phone through the through the Flipkart or Amazon's. We get the customers review, we get the customers feedback on this product, how this product feel them, how this product is useful them, how this product has some drawbacks, limitations. They put their opinion on the review at Flipkart as well as on the Amazon's sites. Now, suppose there are huge comments from across the world. Now, to do the analysis of that through the human, it is difficult. Are there maximum comment negative on about our product? Are there maximum comment positive on our product? We can find that with the help of natural language processing. To do that, we have to use sentiment analysis, a technique used to detect the favorable and unfavorable opinions toward the specific product and services. Suppose we are providing services like Ola Cab, they are providing better service. Ola Cab is providing better service or not to the customer. Customer can post their review on that site, on the social media, on the WhatsApp groups, on the various blogs. From all these oceans of informations about the negativity or positivity about our service like Ola, we have to extract information, we have to find the information, and through this natural language processing it is able to find that. There are the applications in case 7.3 for customer relation management applications. We already seen this example in previous chapter about the customers relationship management, and we can use this natural language processing. Through this we can able to find the customer's opinion to manage the proper business. There are various natural language processing tasks. These are categorized in information retrieval. For information retrieve, information acquire from the ocean of information like internet, Google, some others websites, social media, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube. From all the sources of information, we can extract the information related to our keyword. Like suppose we want to buy new car, then just you write new car, just write this keyword, you will get the huge information related to this. Why it is possible? with the help of natural language processing, as well as the information extraction. Now you have retrieved the various information. Okay, you got the sets of information. From this information, which is our useful information, that is the information extraction. Suppose here are the paragraphs of information. From this, just we need the customer's name. Then there we have to use the information extractions algorithm from the natural language processing task. As well as this can be used for name entity recognition. Name entity recognition like shoes, like mobile, some particular location, some particular tourist spot, any product like mobile phone or car or home. All these information entity we can recognize with the help of names. This natural language processing can be used for question answering system. Question answering system. We have to use the questions, their related answer system automatically recognize. Also for a long answer evaluation, we can use this natural language processing. Now suppose we are taking online exam. Okay, in online exam, their persons student are writing the long answers, questions answer in the paragraphs, and we have to store a sample answer into the system. We have to train to the system by the sample answer. Whenever the student write their answer in the answer box, this answer will match with the sample answer. How much percentage it is matched? 80% matching, 20% matching, 40% matching, 50% matching, 100% matching. On the basis of percentage matching, we have to get the marks. We will get the marks automatically from the system with the help of natural language processing. Automatic summarization. Huge information is there, and we have to make the summary of that information. With the help of natural language processing, it is possible. Natural language processing, generation and understanding. Machine translation. Machine itself translate from one language to another language. Suppose we are talking in the English, and this language is not understand to the Chinese person, so Chinese person should understand automatically with the help of machine translation English into the Chinese. Foreign language reading and writing. Now we are using the Google Translator to translate the foreign language into our English language or Hindi language or Marathi language, from English to Marathi, Marathi to English, Hindi, Chinese, Japanese, and many more languages we can translate with the help of natural language processing. This is the task of the natural language processing, to translate the foreign language. Speech recognition. Through the voice, system should follow the task, follow the commands like close door, open door, on light, off lights. This is possible through the natural language processing in the speech recognition. Text proofing. Text proofing. Suppose I am talking yes, then I I said S, but this spelling is mistake. This is not the spelling of S. There yes is required. Yes, this spelling is required, but I have written YAS. So the text proofing like this sentence is autocorrect with the help of natural language processing and auto write on the computer. I will say S and system will write S. Optical character recognition. This natural language processing is also using for optical character recognition. Nowadays, we know the online exams are going on. In that, the OMR sheet. In OMR sheet, there are some dark spot. That spot is recognized with the help of optical device. Optical device take the input and that automatically convert into the character. That is the optical character recognition. You know, you've seen this device in a mall like DMart, Prozone. There at the bill counter, there one device. That device they use for barcode scanning. For barcode scanning. In barcode, there's some coded information is written that recognized with the help of the optical character recognition device. Their natural language processing algorithms are used. A text mining application. These are the natural language processing application. If you have any question regarding this natural language processing task, please ask. Do you have any question regarding this? Natural language processing is for information retrieval, information extraction, name entity recognition, question answering, automatic summarization, natural language uh, generation and understanding, machine translation, foreign language reading and writing, speech recognition, text proofing, optical character recognition. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask please. Else we will move further. The next is
Not,
the text mining application. Yes.
not asked.
Okay. The text mining application in natural language processing, also there text mining, text recognition is used. And similarly, in the marketing application like enable better CRM, customer relationship management, text mining is used. As well as security application, this the Cochelon and Oasis. These are the security application. These are the US organization. There, the security, this is used for the security purpose as well as deceptions, detection, text mining is used. Medicine and biology, like literature-based gene identification. This text mining is used. Echelon is originally a secret government code name, is a surveillance program, signal intelligence collection and analysis network. It operated by the United States with aids of four other signatory states to the UKUSA Security Agency: Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, also known as the Five Eye. Created in the late 1960s to monitor the military and the diplomatic community of the Soviet Union, and it is Eastern Bloc allies during the Cold War. The Echelon project became formally established in 1971. By the end of 17th century, the system refers to as Echelon had involved beyond the military and the diplomatic origin into the global system for the interceptions of private and commercial communication, mass surveillance, and industrial espionage. This is the name of a project, and this project is used in the European Parliament Temporary Committee to the Echelon Interception System. This is the surveillance system. Primarily, this used in the military applications and the government application. OASIS. OASIS is the organization for the advance of structure information standard. Organizations advance of structure information standard. This is also to make the information standard. We know there are some organization, international organization, they make the advanced open standard for the information society. This is one of the society. This society make the standard to the information. Now we know the COVID pandemic is going, and there many organizations working on the COVID vaccines. But which vaccines will be selected for uh, the vaccination purpose? This is based on the some organization. That organizations give the guidelines to the vaccines developers. According to their guidelines, if the vaccine is made, then and then that vaccine is used for the vaccinations. Who are these organizations? These organizations are one of the community, standardizing community, like ICMR. Again, there is one organization, IEEE. You know this IEEE. This organization make the electronic device standardized. We know the size of mobile phone is near about same like this. Why? Because this size is made standard. You see any company's mobile phone, their size is similar with the other company. Similarly, you look at the charger. Same kind of chargers are using peoples for different type of a mobile phone. Why? Because that size is standard by some organization like IEEE. This type of these two organizations, OASIS and Coachlon, is used for security application purpose. These organizations make the standard, and their data mining is used to find the security purpose applications, to deceptions as well as detections. Some information is hidden in the video. Okay, is there any information hidden in video? Suppose you are watching the videos on YouTube. You have downloaded videos from YouTube. In that video, is there any harmful information hidden? Is there any harmful text hidden in that video? We can identify that information with the help of text mining, with the help of text mining algorithm. This is very important. There the international terrorists send the information through the video, through the audio. They not just send the video to attract the peoples, to attract the student, or to attract the young peoples to watch that video, but also with that video they communicate with their agent, with their organizations. That we have to identify with the help of text mining algorithm. This is very important, and this was happening in the US Cold War first time in 1971. This Coachelon project is started from that Century, and also Oasis to deception as well as detection, which is the information is hidden in audio, video, or any other images. In photograph also, there people hiding the information in photograph. A common man just get the photo, just look at the photo, and you can find only the image of particular sceneries like tiger or human or flowers. But in that video, in that image, there may be information hidden, um, and uh, that information may be harmful to particular individual, or may be harmful to particular organization or the nations. So the data mining application is very much important in that, to detect that. Medicine and biology. Text mining is used in medicine and biology. Literature based gene identification. You know, every organization, medical organization or biological organization, means research lab, they provide their algorithm first, and then according to that algorithm they work in the lab. They identify genes, they identify some medicine, they identify some tablets, and to identify that they have to write some formulas, some information. That information should not be stolen, or that information should be get proper copyright to particular individuals. Their text mining is used, as well as to identify exact information related to particular. Now we know the COVID-19 is going to exact related vaccine, how peoples are developing. We can find from the literature, we can find from the research paper where the COVID-19 vaccine is developed, and they also with that they are writing their information, writing their code, and that information is stored at particular end of the internet, on server, on website. That information we have to identify, that information we have to get from the social media, from the website, from the internet. Text mining help us, text mining will help us to identify that information in the medical as well as biology. Academic application. Text mining is used for academic research purpose, academic analysis purpose. How much student getting good marks, how much student getting uh, very good marks, how much student getting outstanding percentage or marks, that we can analyze with the help of text mining. We know the marks are in the form of numbers or the text characters and stored on the computers, so it is easy to make the analysis of that results, as well as some other research project we can do with the help of a text mining. So you have to keep in mind the text mining is very much important. And why? Because there are several applications to do the future career, to do the research, to do the PhD. You can select the text mining application. Security, marketing, medicine, academic. Apart from this, you can take anyone to do your future education, to do your research. Okay? Yes? Is it understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are application case 7.4, mining for lies and deception detection. Deception detection is the difficult problem. If detection is limited to only the text, then the problem is even more difficult. Suppose the text is hidden in the video is somewhat easy. We will categorize this is the video information file and this is the text information file. But if the text is hidden in the text, now you see this is the this is the font, blue color font, and this is the type font. But I written here like this information. Okay, I written here information, and here I have written yes, it is useful. Now you see this sentence is one sentence. Information, yes, it is useful. I have written this in the text. But if we look at this line, is this information is part of this sentence? No, but it is written in front of this, so it is looking like this. This is the part of this. Means information is mixed, so it is difficult to identify such type of information if the information is hidden in the information. You got one research paper, suppose, or you got one PDF file of the book. In that information, suppose another information is hidden, then it is difficult to identify. With the help of text mining, we can do that. Then the problem is even more difficult. We can solve with the help of text mining. We can find this information from the text mining algorithm. The study analyze text-based testimonies of a person of interest and military base, as well as use only text-based feature queues. To make the analysis, we have to use text-based testimonies of person and interest at a military basis. Now you see at the application case 7.4, mining for lies. There are statement transcribe for processing, queue extraction and selected. Text processing software identified queue in statements. Text processing software generate qualified queue. Classification modes train and test on qualified queue. Statement label as truthful or deceptive by law enforcement. All these are the case. Just a minute. Just a minute. There are 2 to 3 ways There are 2 to 3 ways to duplicate the layer. First is you have to just use a shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus J, duplicate the layer. Next is you can drag the object, that is maybe image or shape, by pressing Alt key, or you can drag on the different, that is the second way. But also you can drag on the new Dropbox. The third way. So in this way okay, now look at this application. This is the cycle, the statement transcribed for the processing. Once we have one statement, that statements transcribed for the processing. Like suppose I am talking in English, that sentence should be first process by the system, then queue extracted and selected. Once the statement is processed, from that the extracted information and selected information will be in the queue, in the line. For the text processing software identify the queue in a statement, which is the information in this queue. That information is identified by the text processing software. Suppose we have one software. In that software we have to add the information, like suppose A B C is the name of first person, B C D is the name of second person, C D F is the name of third person, D F E is the name of another person, Q R Z is the name of another person. So which person is first process is in a queue. This information is extracted from the social media. Suppose this is the Facebook. From Facebook we have identified the names of persons and stored in the queue. And now the text processing software identify this queue in a statement. Which are the statement in a queue? These are the name, means one name is the one statement, second name is the second statement, and likewise so on. Once the statement, this statement is in a queue, then text processing software generate the quantified queue, quantified queue, which is the information useful from this queue is all name are appropriate to our business, to our organization or not. This is identified by the software, means quantifies from the queue. And then classification mode, train and test on the quantified queue. Then the next step in this step is these names are related to our business. Suppose three are the related to our business and three names are not related to our business. Related and not related is classified by the train and test classification model. And after that the statement label as the truthful or deceptive by the law enforcement. Once we have identified this name, this is the related, these three name are related to our business, they will buy our product, and these three names will not buy our product. Okay, this name we have identified from social media, we have identified from Facebook, Instagram, or from other information source. How we have identified this? By the help of text mining application. By the this cycle we are at this. Once we have identified and classified this in two categories, this is the related information. Now we are finding this related information is the truthful information. There no other harmful information hidden in this text to our business. We will find at this statement label as the truthful or deceptive by the law enforcement. This information is truth. This information is not harmful to our business. These are not intruders, these are not uh, attackers in our organization, on our systems. Okay, we have find this statement. Once this statement is started, again we can statement transcribe for the processing. If there are any intruders, then again we will send this to the process to extract the information. After that, identify the statement in the queue with the help of text processing software. This is the cycle of application case 7.4. Is it understood? Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the cycle by the help of this cycle we can extract the useful information from the ocean of information from the internet. We want to identify the customer to sell our car to that customer. Okay, we will get huge names of the person, but whose intention is to buy our car, that we have to classify. We have to classify with the help of text mining. And once we have classified and we got this group classified and related to our product, then is this person are really useful or harmful to our organization? Are they are thieved, or they will stolen the car or some information or some product from our company? We have to identify with the help of a text mining applications. Okay, now application mining for lies category and their example queues. You see here quantity, verb count, noun phrase count. Quantity we can count with the help of a name or the with the help of a just a minute. Okay. काही सिलेक्ट तुम्ही ते नवीन काही याच्यात ज्यांच्याकडे नाही ठीक आहे, पण त्यांनी काही नवीन शिकले एखादं प्रॅक्टिकली काही एखादं नवीन ब्रोशर बघितलं, एखाद्याने काही केलं असेल सांगा बरं मला, म्हणजे मला कळेल तरी काय सर्च करता, काही एखादं मॅगझिन वाचलं असेल रिलेटेड इमेज एडिटिंग काहीतरी. Now you see this table category and their example queues. How we will count the number of persons are related to our business? By their name, by phrase, by word count, by noun count. सर मी हे सर्च केलंय, मला हे लक्षात आलंय. There are different types. Sir, मी हे ब्रश This name give us a information. कालच आपले बघितलं होतं विशाल. हॅलो, हा विशाल, हा तुझ्याकडे आहे नेट आहे, पीसी आहे घरी? Complexity. How we will get the complexity? We will get the complexity with average number of clauses, sentence length. If there the sentence length is very long, which we have extracted from the Facebook or Instagram, that informations make a complexity in the software, as well as uncertainty, modifiers, model, verbs, nomidacy, passive voice, objectification, expressivity, emotiveness, means the thought of the clients. Through that we can find the expressivity category of the information. These are the categories of information. These are the features of the information we have to find from the social media and make their groups. Like diversity in information we can find with the help of lexical diversity, as well as redundancy, repeated information if there, then we can say this is the group A if the repeated information find related to this information. If the related information find with the B information, then we can make this another category, another. So there the diversity in this A and the B information. Informality, topographical error ratio. Informality we can find with the topographical error ratio and specificity, spatiotemporal perceptual information. Affect, positive affect, negative affect, or the neutral effect on our research project, on our business, on our project, on our organization, we can find with the help of a text mining application. And this is the categories of information, and these are the examples of these categories. We have to identify such type of a categories if we are doing the text mining project. In text mining project, we have to identify the quantity, complexity, uncertainty, nomadiacy, expressivity, diversity, informality, specificity, and affects. All this category of information we have to extract with the help of a data mining applications. In 371, usable statements are generated. There are the various sentences in this case. Mining lies for. In this, there are several kind of information, several kind of sentences are there. Near about the 371 usable statement are generated. Okay. After that, we have the 31 feature are used from that information, like this. You see at this. These are the statement. These are the statement. This is huge information, but we have to make this information in particular category. Which category of information is this? This is the quantity type of a category. Which type of information is this? Average number of clauses, sentence length, and many other sentences are there. These are the complex type of a category. So these are the features. These are features. How much these are? These are 31. 31 features are used in this mining for lies application. There are also different feature selection method used, like tenfold cross validation is used. We know the k-fold and tenfold. Suppose there are 100. There are 100. Suppose there are 100 number of iteration, 100 number of cases with us to do the research. From that, we will make the group of 10 10 10 10 10 group. We will make the group of 10 10 10 10 groups. First 10 we will use as a test data, and another we will keep the train. Only the 10 we will keep as a test data, and remaining we will keep as a train data. And this test data we will match with this remaining 90 sample of the data, and find the accuracy. And that accuracy we will get with the logistic regression 67%, by the decision tree 71%, and by neural network 73%. Okay. And next experiment 1. In experiment 2, we will make second 10 sample as a test, second 10 sample as a test data, and remaining 90, this 10 and this 80 we will keep as a train, and this 10 test data we will match with this 80 90 train sample, and find the accuracy in experiment 2. Similarly, the third segment, similarly the fourth segment as a test, fifth segment as a test, sixth segment as a test, up to the 10th segment as a test we will make as a fold. This is the 10-fold cross validation use. Is it understood? Yes, is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Tenfold cross validation. We suppose we have thousands sample. From 1000 sample, we will keep the 10 tens segment. We will make 10 tens segments, and we will keep first segment as a test and remaining another 9 9 part 9 part as a train. Next time, second segment we will take as a test and remaining 9 segment as a train. This is the k fold. If this is 9 fold, then we will make the 9 part. If this is the 5 fold, then we will make the 5 segment, 5 part in the hundreds of sample or the thousands of sample. Okay, is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the text mining application, genes protein interaction identification. This is the result of one of the experiment. We will see this experiment in next lecture. If you have any doubt regarding this text mining application, tenfold features, or this case 7.4 mining for lies, if you have any question regarding this, please ask within a 1 minute. This cycle, if you not understood, do you have any question regarding this? Yes.
No.
Urusa.
No, sir. No question.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye. You can
Thank you,
join.
sir.
You can join another lecture. Bye. Have a nice day.